Hello friends, welcome in my new video. In this video I will show how to get unlimited coins in Temple Run. As you see that I download it and test it and it is working properly. To download it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First open Chrome or any browser. Search Temple Run Mode APK. Tap on the first website. Tap on download. Wait here for 7 seconds. Now tap again on download. Download anyway. As you see that download is started. I have already downloaded it, so I will skip that. I will cancel it. Now tap on it. Tap on install. As you see that it is installing. Now you can see that it is installing device. Now open it. Allow that. If you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe me. Now you can see that there are unlimited coins. Now enjoy it. Have you learned properly from this video? Tell me in comments. So enjoy it and take care.